How to improve the quality of responses from ChatGPT. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to improve the quality of responses in ChatGPT. So for that case, open up a browser, type in chat.openai.com, and that's going to directly take you to the home page. To improve the quality of responses from ChatGPT, first thing you need to make sure be clear and specific in your instructions. You can also use conversational language, and make sure to avoid using ambiguous or open-ended questions, and you need to provide in the background information as well to be precise and clear. You can just break down the complex question into smaller proportions. You can get a response accordingly, and along with that you can also incorporate example and scenarios, which is going to be helpful in order to improve the quality of responses from ChatGPT. So these are some of the ways to improve the quality of responses. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.